Kyosho Javelin hitting the rocks. Not going crazy. Well, we're going to test it out in these rocks. Oh! Oh! See if we can climb up. Yep. Oh! Heard some funky sound. Oh, you got a rock in it? Yeah, rock must have went into the A-arm or the drive tractor. Ooh, jumps like a beauty. Let's scale the rock wall like I did with my other Kyosho. Oh yeah, this one turns on a dime. You get some slow-mo for this. Oh! Oh! Got some nice air. Sounds like a beauty. Oh, watch out for the dog. It's a nice rock climber. Oh, that's it for this one. Didn't go over that. Float dug right in. You ain't getting over that. See if we could get some air on this beauty. Oh, the first one I did, but you didn't see it probably. Oh yeah. There's somewhere else with it. I like these rocks. This place is dangerous with all this freaking debris and rocks and everything. No, I don't want to flip this. Oh, that's smooth. He's nice. I just don't like belts. I can hear sometimes the belt making like a lip sound. Hear it? The belt making a pop even though I have it tight. Maybe the chain's better. Who knows? I'll give you the chain in the kit. Maybe the chain's better. Alright guys, that's it with this beauty. Hope you enjoyed it. This is a fun one. I like it a lot. It's a real good buggy. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast running this beauty. I had to run it 2 times in the same day. Woohoo! Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, do all the good stuff for me. Leave comments. I appreciate it. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'm out. The Kyosho Javelin beauty. What? Something happened. Look at that. Oh, must have got a rock in her. Yep. Something's jammed. I can't figure it out. What? Oh, there it is. Got a rock jammed in the skin. What was I saying? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm out with the Javelin. He's just about dead. Oh, that was a big jump so far. Oh, I got it. Suspension's sweet on this one. It handles the bumps real good. I just don't want to stop. I gotta stop. We're packing her away. Oh, maybe not. You're going away, Javelin. You're going in the bug. Later, guys.